Hello, it's Glamstract here, another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation, or better, Tinted Moisturiser, is the Just Skin by Chantecaille. This is what the Tinted Moisturiser looks like outside of its box, and the shade that I've picked for myself is Vanilla. Please excuse my lioness hair today. Let's just go straight into claims. I have my usual notes over here. I've been using this tinted moisturizer for a while, so I feel like giving you my personal review now. So these are the claims that I collected from the internet. Velvety, smooth, and lightweight. Absolutely. Provides hydration. Absolutely. Unique blend of thyme and butterfly bush extract offer powerful antioxidants benefits, while sodium hyaluronate helps to seal in moisture. I absolutely agree with this as well, but I wasn't aware of this particular extract, the butterfly bush. So I went on the internet, I did a little bit of research. I got my laptop over here. So the butterfly bush, also known as the summer lilac, I googled the use and benefits. It can be useful for prematurely aging or environmental stress affected skin. The butterfly bush flower are also helpful for skin firming, offers the strength and peptide bonds on the surface of the skin. The terpenes found in this plant also have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. That is quite intriguing. I've been using this for a while and I didn't actually read into that particular ingredient, but it sounds very good. Also scanned through this very tiny writing here in the ingredients list, and it appears to be fragrance and essential oils free as well. But I want to take another second of yours to also read you what it claims here on the back of the box. It says it's an anti-smog moisturizing skin perfector with a natural non-chemical SPF 15 with antioxidant and anti-pollution botanical extract. I like the fact that it is a non-chemical SPF, even though it's very little of it. It's just 15. So if you have this tinted moisturizer, I urge you to use your own SPF before applying this, because it's, as I said, it's not much, SPF 15. But in any case, you should use an SPF before foundation anyway, unless your foundation has like a SPF 50+++. Maybe that will be enough, I think. These are all 2 claims about this tinted moisturizer, which I fully agree on. But let me tell you more about the consistency. It comes in this like squeezy tube. It looks like a toothpaste. Here we go. So this is the consistency. It's very, very creamy and thick. But don't be thrown off by this thicker consistency. They're actually very nice and moisturizing for the skin. I have applied this foundation both with a foundation brush and also with my fingers. With my finger, I found that the final result was very, very natural. While with the brush, I got definitely more coverage. Just gonna work it on my skin. Today I am going to apply this with the brush. I'm going to use my usual Chanel Fluid Powder foundation brush. Tinted moisturizer applied. This is the first layer of the tinted moisturizer. It is pretty buildable, but you're not going to build it up no more than a medium coverage, like a light medium. That's the max I think you can get. It is very light. I'm going to leave it as just one coat because I prefer it this way. As you can see, you can still pick through some discolorations around my nose, some blemishes. I would say the shade Vanilla is a great match. The Vanilla shade to me seems more like a neutral shade, but leaning towards more the warm, but very tiny, because I personally don't like warm foundations, but it's perfect neutral. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Dior Flash Luminiser. This is one of those like luminizing pen, and I'm just gonna use tiny bit just to brighten my under eye area, because as I said, it is leaning towards the warm more, so I want to sort of bring a little bit of that light back. Oh, and the shade that I have, this Dior Flash Luminiser, is 002. Concealer applied. It looks stunning. Very natural look today, because both this skin tint and this luminizer don't have a lot of coverage, so today I'm really going for, let's call it like a summer look. like a little bit leaning towards the warmer shade and also very, very light and dewy. So that's definitely like a summer combo, I think. Perfect. For powder, my usual go-to Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r in Butter. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to use this mini blush and bronzer duo by NARS, which contains their bestseller, the Orgasm blush and the Laguna bronzer. I'm not going to use any highlighter today because the Orgasm blush, I already feel like it has a pretty nice sheen, and as I'm going for a very natural summertime look, I'm just gonna leave it like that. This is full, well, this is like sort of full face applied, not full face, but almost. But we were here and I'm here to mainly showcase you this Chantecaille Just Skin Tinted Moisturiser SPF 15. If you're thinking of purchasing this Chantecaille Just Skin Tinted Moisturiser with SPF 15, please just go for it. It's amazing. It's a beautiful, I know it's on the pricier side, but trust me, it's really, really nice. Now, will it beat my all-time favorite Sisley Tinted Moisturiser? I can't remember the full name, I'm so sorry. But the Sisley Tinted Moisturiser, the one in the shade 1 in the tube that is similar to this actually. I don't know. I think I'm thinking about it because I started using this during my 4 months break, while the Sisley Tinted Moisturiser, I used that for over a year. I don't know. I think I need to go back and use the Sisley Moisturiser a bit and use this one on the day after and sort of like compare the two together, because they both stole my heart. They're both amazing. And I do also want to make a video about all my favorite tinted moisturizers, because I think tinted moisturizer really deserve their own video because they're my favorite kind of foundations, because I'm a sucker about light, very light coverage. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find all the claims that I explained to you in the very beginning of this video, you find them helpful. Let me know in the comments down below, as usual, if you have any questions. I'm always actively checking if I receive any notification to give you as quick as possible answer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But also, if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe down here, and also head over to my Instagram page and you can follow me there at Glamstract as well, if you like. Thank you so much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.